Your base?
No, it doesn't matter, dude. I don't know what's filling me up with something.
You have to have a ton of guns then, because if you're stashing your junk, you should be totally fine. Oh, do you have Raider
Earthquake.
armor or something like
Holy
that?
fuck, this earthquake's huge. Jesus Christ. Hold on, right back a second.
Earthquake. Oh, wait, you're getting hit by one? Mike's chat. Is that about a real earthquake?
Like hearing it wrong because I'm hearing garlic thoughts.
Not.
Whoa, earthquake!
Garlic knots?
Oh crap, earthquake! Oh my god, it's a big one in LA.
Oh my god.
Holy crap. Oh no.
Oh?
Oh shit!
This is the troll, right?
Dude, that was actually big.
Are you serious?
I think it's legit.
Wait,
I think he's serious.
That sounds
It's
legit.
serious!
Hold the Millennium Falcon!
Holy crap.
Actually real, it's real.
Am I gonna lose?
4.6 magnitude.
Look, I know that you guys might be having an
Mine!
Oh, I die for words.
His life.
At least we got the dragon.
Oh, earthquake.
Oh, earthquake.
Shit, wait, hold on.
Oh, IRL. Oh, you got the
Oh my god.
IRL earthquake.
Oh, it makes so much sense.
Wait, that was actually so
You got the earth dragon. Crazy.
Oh my god.
It's so immersive.
Fucking god, I hate earthquakes.
This is not the that was a real life earthquake.
That's so cool. I'm sorry, that was so scary.
How does Riot do that?
That was so fucking.
Oh my god. Guys, there's a really bad earthquake. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Wait, I feel it.
Oh my god.
I feel the earthquake right now too. Should I go outside? Wait, guys, I have anxiety.
Oh, this is pretty bad.
Do I have to
This
go
is really
outside?
bad.
Do I have to go outside? Should I go outside? I'm freaking out. Hold on.
No, you're fine. Just keep playing.
I think you'll be okay. I think you're
I don't know. No, I have anxiety.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. It's over. It's over. It's over.
Adriana, take a breath with me, okay? Just focus. Focus
It's
on
over.
our
It's over.
voices.
It's over.
It's over.
You're okay. You're okay.
I know.
It's over.
I'm just like freaking.
You're good.
It's over.
Okay.
Done. It's done. That's it.
That was rough.
Should we go outside?
No,
I'm not
gonna lie, I heard that through your mic, and I personally never been through an earthquake, and that sounded pretty terrible.
At least we got the dragon. It was worth it, right?
Earthquake. Earthquake!
What?
Oh shit, wait, hold on a minute.
Oh, IRL.
Oh, IRL
Oh,
earthquake.
it makes so much sense.
Wait, holy shit. Wait, that was actually so big,
Oh.
guys.
Okay,
Crazy.
I think
guys had an
that
earthquake?
earthquake's done.
It's so immersive.
Fucking god, I hate
Wow.
earthquakes.
This is not the
Oh, that was a real life
That's
earthquake.
good.
Cool.
Mocha S, Mocha.
Is it still
How
going?
does Riot do
God,
that?
That was
Wow.
so that was like that was actually
Anybody-
me.
Oh my god.
Pay me any money. I apologize.
Oh, hey there.
Or no?
Oh, understandable. Have a good day.
I'm not alone. Thank you.
Mine!
See where's oh wow.
Oh, I die for words.
His life.
At least we got the dragon. It was worth it, right?
Oh, earthquake.
Oh, earthquake. Oh, IRL. Oh, you got the Earth Dragon. Oh, it makes so much sense. You got the Earth Dragon. Crazy.
That was I fucked up with the sabotage. If I was smarter with it, I think we would have won.
Earthquake, earthquake, earthquake.
Earthquake?
Oh, earthquake, big one. Oh my god, I felt it.
Yeah, we just hit us.
Oh, oh,
Whoa.
4.8, 4.8. Oh my god.
Oh,
Dude, that was huge. Wait, stuff in my house fell.
Whoa.
Okay, timeout. Timeout.
Everyone post on Facebook.
Whoa.
Mine's done.
Bro, I thought you meant in the game, and I'm like, yeah, dude, the ship always shakes. What are you talking about?
No, purple, black, yellow, orange, green, and brown. No.
Shit.
We're having
Oh fuck! Earthquake! Holy shit!
Oh, I don't feel it out here yet.
Oh fuck!
That means
Fuck!
Oh, there it is. Oh,
Whoa,
damn.
god! Oh god!
Are you okay?
Oh yeah, that just made my heart fucking. I literally,
Yeah, that
what
was
happened
delayed
was.
from where I am.
Oh, okay, so I had a cup on top of my computer, and it fell, and I thought it was because I hit my desk, and then all of a sudden everything in my room was shaking, so my like vertigo kicked in. I was like, what did I do? Oh.
My monitor's shaking like crazy.
West Coast cereal. Yeah, Doc felt it first before us.
Well, yeah, Doc and I live like 2 houses away from each other. Whew.
Yeah, well, I'm much more south. And
Hold on, everyone. I'm so sorry. I'm going to check on like my family members or roommates, excuse me, and my cats. Give me 1 quick second, stream. JM, the final Cosmic Eclipse pack. Green code card, for, not that it matters. Yo! Earthquake. Oh, I don't like it! I hate earthquakes so much, they scare me. Okay, we're fine.
Top right.
The greenhouse.
Yeah.
I saw somebody who passed me. PETA. Or no.
Oh shit! Earthquake. Fuck.
Actual
Oh my
earthquake? Oh yeah. Yep, earthquake. Hey, we gotta go right now, guys.
No, it's
Well,
fine.
okay,
it's
I'm just
fine.
double checking. My girlfriend's in the next room. I need to check in with her. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep,
Okay,
there's
no
a
problem.
small earthquake right now. It's okay.
Okay.
What are your thoughts?
Well, hold on just a second.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Hold on. Sorry, I'm shaking. There was an earthquake. Sorry, that was...
Person watches this video, chat 1, and has to delete all whip emotes and no longer accept whip songs.